dealing with the outliner in Blender. So dealing with the outliner is quite simple. So all I'm going to do is just make this a bit bigger because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So for example, in the outliner we have this folder here, right, which is a collection. We have the scene collection, and then we have the collection itself, right? So the collection itself has a camera, a cube, and a light into it, right? So you can select multiple options in the scene by selecting all of those, and let's just say I want to put them in a different folder. I can then just press M and put it in a new collection and just put it as in 1, right? Okay, let me just change that 1 and press OK. So now we've moved it into a collection called or renamed 1. Another thing that we can do is to double tap on it, and then we can rename it to name, right? Perfect. So another thing that we can do, of course, now is, let's just say that this is duplicated. Okay, move it over there just like that. Shift D and move it over there, and Shift D, and we can move it over there just like that. Okay, and if you look at it, there's a multiple number of things currently here, right? So the other thing to note is this eye over here, right? So this eye over here allows you to turn the visibility on and off of different objects, right? We also have a number of other things, like for example the filter here. We have the filter where we can have them selected, and then we have a filter over here where you have them disabled in the viewports. For example, if we do select this over here, you can see that it disappears in the viewport. Alright, and then here you can hide it, and here it disappears. Now for example, if you do select this over here, you'll see that everything else gets selected besides the ones that does not have these on. For example, let's just do both of them won't be able to be selected because of the selection being off over there. Okay, then we have a number where we have this, which is like quite a number of other functions that we will not be dealing with at the moment, right? So you can rename it, you can move it. For example, we can also, the ones that is selected, we can also move into a different collection just like that. And like I said, with the keypad M, you can then move it to a different selection. For example, let's just say we have this two selected, we can then press M, and then we can move it to this collection over here, and now you can see that it moves to the other collection over there just like that. Okay,